Hey everyone, Michael Bodner here with today's Teslatunity, coming to you live from the Asphalt Mile. That's right, this is our last mile driving a gas vehicle, and my wife's here to pick up her dual motor Model 3, so let's check it out.
All the way towards the back.
The Stormtrooper. The seats are amazing.
You made a good choice with the white.
Yeah, I didn't want it on.
Yeah, when I first thing had the white one too as well. It's neutral, it doesn't get a little bit self-force, it's not too bad. But mine does not do it. Early production. Okay, so. And go to control. No, go back.
No, back?
Yeah, we do that one. Go to control. Open the front trunk for me. Yes. That is.
Perfect.
I'll show you. So here, it's the difference with any other cars. You don't have the engine, you have plenty of space to store something, and on top of everything, yeah, it's in front, and you get a lot of security in case of an accident. Over here, you have a hook in case that you have to be tall, because you get stuck somewhere. Very hard to get stuck with this car. Okay, to close the front, you basically put the two hands right over the T, press very gently until you feel the click.
Okay.
Comfortable, standard or sport, and regenerate braking goes standard or low.
Okay.
In the case, so the standard, it gives you kind of the engine brake of a normal gas car. And extra safety because it will reduce the braking distance that's necessary to stop the car.
Oh my god.
The part you don't want to see.
Yeah.
This is like the how the sausage is made part. This is why they take the cars out of here and not us. All right, the car's ours. Time to set up some settings. And honey, how do you feel about this thing?
I'm a little nervous. There's a lot of controls on the screen, but I'm very excited to never have to get gas again.
All right. And I'm going to be your extra delivery specialist, and we'll go through all the settings now and get things in order. All right, first order of business. We don't want to charge our phone with a wire, so I'll walk you through the steps. Open up your center console and the top part. There you go. Push on the bottom and let go. You can lift up the tray a little bit. There you go. It'll sit. And then move to the left, this piece, and it'll snap off. Don't let it fall. And just lift it off. There you go. Right here. And then take out your rubber mat. I'll take out your rubber mat.
Okay.
Okay, now, all you're gonna do, see those two holes in there in the middle?
Yep.
So you're gonna feed one wire on each side for the Nomad pad.
In here?
No, right here. In those two, one on each side.
Oh, those
Got
are
it?
holes.
Sorry.
Yeah, I see.
All right, the other one in. All right,
Yep.
now let the pad sit flat. And hold on. There you go. Pad goes like that. Now, it's a tight fit. You want me to do it? the wires are a little tight to get into the USB ports here. But upside down. That's one. That's two. All right, now all you do is put that cover back on in reverse. Yeah, so like that. Hold on. Let's make sure the pad is, it's off-centered a little bit. There you go. All right, so try to get that back on. No, like start like right there. Up a little bit. There. Push it to the right. Good. All right. That is locked in. Can't go anywhere now. So there's your Nomad pad.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Maiden voyage. What was once the asphalt mile is now the electric future. All right, everyone, so that's our video. Hope you enjoyed it. We've got my wife's Model 3 white on white. Of course, my Model 3 midnight silver with black interior. The day really could not have been better. The team was great. If I was to compare the delivery experiences between mine back in February and this one, certainly you could feel the rush. It's the end of quarter squeeze. Car volumes are through the roof, but they were patient. They didn't push us out of the door. They gave us everything we wanted to know. Of course, it helped that I already had a Model 3, so we kind of did an extra delivery setup in the parking lot and let them move on to the next car. They did tell us 50 cars being delivered out of the Dania Beach location tomorrow. That is huge numbers for anyone who hasn't been there. It's a pretty tight location. To get 50 cars out of there in one day, pretty impressive. But again, brand new white dual motor Model 3, car is in perfect condition, really no issues. Paint is fantastic, no scratches, no issues from shipping. So we couldn't be happier. Hope you enjoyed the journey, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.